friends, hello everyone, how have you been doing? I'm so glad to see you again on my channel. And this time I want to tell you about my favorite indicator, aka the Williams percentage range. So you will learn about its features and possible application strategies. I will also show you how I make money on trading. So watch this video till the end and you will learn a lot of interesting things. In the description below this video, you'll find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions you're interested in. And you'll also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. And as you remember, I also run weekly marathons to help you increase your capital from $150 to $5,000, guys. This happens every week, so make sure to join this marathon. In addition, if you write to my personal account on Telegram, you will get a personal link to sign up for PocketOption, which will give you 50% on your deposit bonus, which is absolutely free. So now let's move on to PocketOption and let's get started. The exchange currency pair Euro-US dollar acts as a trading asset today. At the same time, trading will take place on the 1 minute time frame. And our first trade will be at $300 drop for 1 minute. As you can see on the quotation chart, after an uptrend lasting 30 minutes, the price made a strong rebound from the upper limit to the Donchian channel indicator and began to decline. Against this big background, the line of the Williams indicator also moves down, whereby giving a signal about a possible continuation of the decline in quotations. So this is our indicator and I would like to talk about it today. The Williams percentage range is a very productive oscillator indicator of the technical analysis, which determines whether an asset is overbought or oversold and indicates a possible reversal of the movement of quotations. It impresses with its amazing simplicity, where are no big difficulties and complicated rules. By the way, our first transaction was completed and brought $270 profit. So even the developer himself said that using the tool, he could make several dozen profitable operations in a short time. This indicator was developed in the 70s of the 20th century by Larry Williams, a successful and renowned trader, author of works on technical analysis and trading on the futures market. Larry Williams is an example of the fulfillment of the American dream, when a person rapidly acquires a large fortune from scratch. In 1987, he participated in a Robust World Cup with a deposit of $50,000. During the calendar year, William took first place and earned $1.1 million in net profit. The increase in the deposit amounted to 11,000% per annum. In trading system, Larry used his own Williams percentage range indicator. So there have been many ups and downs in the trader's life. In 1988, Williams again participated in the Robust World Cup, but unsuccessfully, as he lost half of his fortune. And in 2006, a trader was arrested for a non-payment of taxes when selling his own book. Larry had to pay $1 million to get out on bail. So let's go back to trading and open a deal to increase by $300 for 1 minute. Here notice that the decline began to slow down and the price was trying to grow, while the Williams line occupied a horizontal position, which with a decrease in quotation is a signal of a possible reversal of quotations. In our case, a possible price increase. While the deal is in progress, we will continue the conversation. In 2007, Larry Williams decided to repeat his own achievement. The trader managed to earn $1 million, regain his fame, and prove that the principles laid down in Williams' work. What is the interest of traders in the Williams percentage range indicator? This indicator refers to oscillators that are ahead of the curve in technical analysis, which are more effective at trading than instruments that work on trends and lag behind the price. And our deal has ended and brought another $270 profit. So Williams detects market overheating, determines oversold and overbought levels, and signals a reversal of price movement. This indicator is very similar to the stochastic indicator, but it's more sensitive and also signals more strongly about changes in the market and therefore reacts faster to changes in the mood of its participants. Williams is advised to use on time frames not lower than 1 hour and up to 1 day. At short time intervals, 1 minute, 30 minutes, it can provide false signals. But they can be eliminated and the tool can be used for shorter time intervals if combined with other indicators. Now I'll open another deal to increase by $300 for 1 minute. Here the situation is similar to the previous deal. The Williams line is again in a horizontal position. In addition, the blue line of the arrow indicator responsible for the upward movement is above the 70 level, while its red line is below 30, which also indicates the superiority of the uptrend over the downtrend. So now you can continue. The indicator value varies from -100 to 0. A result is the finding of the Williams indicator in a zone from 100 minus to -80, and overbought from -20 to 0. For convenience, the indicator is displayed in a window under the working chart of quotation and is a curved line which shows the position of the price now in relation to the past time interval. The line is located between the horizontal levels of the minimum and the maximum. The transaction was successfully completed and replenished our balance by $270. So let's move on. Larry Williams used a period of 14 in his indicator. It's not worth changing this value since Williams was tested with various parameters, but traders returned to the classic value. The only possible alternative option is to set the period equal to 200. In this case, the indicator is used for investing and positional trading, when there should be few inputs and the accuracy of the signals must be maximum. So let's continue trading and assess the situational chart. The price is rising, but the Williams line is again taking a horizontal position. And this is a clear signal for reversal, so I open a deal to decrease by $300 for 1 minute and return to the conversation. And now let's discuss trading opportunities using the Williams indicator. Trend trading is possible. During the movement, the price rolls back, creating opportunities to enter the market. The trend can be determined visually or using moving averages. The moving average with a period of 50, 100 and 200 is considered the best. The longer the period, the stronger the trend in the market. Also, one of the options for using Williams indicator is to buy or sell after its line leaves the overbought or oversold zone. Williams himself spoke about the need to make deals, of course, only in the direction of the trend. And our deal was completed again, bringing the usual $270. Among practicing traders, there is a criticism of the Williams indicator. Actually, it was originally created specifically for the stock and futures market, but not for the currency market. So it's not effective here, but experience shows that its concept is universal. It's perfect for any market since the calculation is based only on the exchange rate. The Williams percentage indicator fits into any trading system to improve it and reduce the number of false entries. For example, Elder's-free screams the favorite trading system of many beginners and advanced traders is perfect for this. It uses an oscillator stochastic oscillator, which can be replaced with the Williams range, and then the number of false signals will decrease. Let's trade a little more. I see a repeat of the previous situation, so I open a $300 reduction deal again for 1 minute. There is nothing to add here, so we will continue the conversation. So Williams indicator determines possible market reversals and shows the best trend entries, allows you to work on the entire movement of the market. The higher the analyzed period, the fewer false signals there will be. It's better for beginners to focus on less volatile markets without sharp price fluctuations on daily charts. Advanced traders can trade on smaller time frames as well as trade on volatile assets with active price fluctuations. To reduce the number of false inputs, it's necessary to use additional confirmation factors. Trading only by trend and filtering by moving averages is best suited. And we have another completion of the transaction and $270 profit. So this concludes the trading session. Let's discuss the results. So this time we made 5 successful trades, earning $1,350 on this. It took us only 10 minutes of time. In addition, you found out that the Williams concept works perfectly on any trading assets. Williams indicator is a fairly simple and understandable indicator. It's very popular thanks to its creator, who at one time showed outstanding results in trading on the stock exchange. The indicator works ahead of the market situation, but it's important to realize that for all its advantages, it's not universal. It can give false signals, so it should be used in a combination with other tools. So I hope this information was useful for you and it will help you to earn in binary options. After all, only practice can teach you to understand the market. But remember, if you don't have enough experience when before opening a deal, you need to carefully assess the market situation currently. In addition, it's necessary to use indicators with signals of which you understand, because they reduces risk and allows you to make a profit over a long distance. I want you to continue trading binary options because only here the analysis methods are not complicated at all. So in the description below this video, you'll find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me, as I already said, any questions you're interested in, and where you'll also find a link to my personal Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. And don't forget, guys, I also run weekly marathons to help you increase your deposit from $150 to $5,000, guys. This happens every week, so make sure to join this marathon. And in addition, if you write to my personal Telegram, you will get a link to sign up for PocketOption, which will give you 50% of the deposit absolutely free as a nice bonus. So dear friends, this offer is very interesting and I hope that you made the most from this video. So as always, guys, thank you so much for being with me all this time. I hope you like this video and you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you won't miss anything interesting. That's all for today, guys. Good luck in your trading sessions and see you soon in the next video.